Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Komplet America, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to operate your 221. First thing you're going to do is open up the back hatch. You're going to turn your battery disconnect on. Grab our key, put it inside the ignition. Once you started your unit, we're going to go to the remote. Your key ID, you want to turn it to 1. Your e-stop, you want to release it. And you always want to make sure your buttons are in the down or neutral position. You hit your start button once, it'll flash fast. Hit it one more time, it flashes slow. Currently your unit synced. You could operate your unit forward and back. Anytime you operate your unit, you want to have your RPM all the way up. So we're going to unfold the belts and start the machine. We're going to unfold the front belt, which is this button, down. Our side belt, we're going to open it, down. Now, we're going to turn on our conveyors, our front and our back, which is on. Now, when we turn our vibrating hopper on, it will turn on that belt, and your unit's good to go. Now that we have our unit running, say you want to shut it down, you're going to just follow the simple steps. You're going to off your vibrator, your side conveyor, your front conveyor, and your back conveyor off. And say you want to fold, you go up. You want to fold your front conveyor, you go up as well. And then you can track your unit to any part of the job site that you need to go. Now with this unit, you've noticed that this one has a front extraction belt. The 221s come in 4 different configurations. You can get a 221 Plus, which has a front folding belt, and then you have 2 options that you can have either your rear belt come out all the way on the top, or you can have it come off horizontal. We have one unit behind us, but I'm going to show you that configuration. End of day, always lower your RPM. Shut your key off. You go back here, hit your battery disconnect. On your remote, you want to go to the 0, and you hit your e-stop in, and that's it. You're all done. So the unit that we have behind us is a different configuration. You notice that this unit is not a Plus, does not have the front conveyor, just has a front chute. And on the rear, if you noticed, this conveyor is a little bit smaller, and it has a horizontal conveyor. With this unit here, you could change the direction of your horizontal conveyor by just turning this lever from one position to another position, and it'll change it. So either it'll come to the machine on the right side or on the left side. These units do come with shipping brackets. We normally don't take them off. This is mostly if you're transporting your unit. We normally like to keep them on there. This way your vibrating hopper doesn't move so much on transport. So these are some things, depends on the customer. You can remove them. We normally leave them on, and majority of the 221s out there, they're left on. This unit is pretty simple. You have your diesel cap here, behind this door here. You have your radiator. You also have your battery. There's a gray plug here with a jumper. This unit has a tether remote. If something happens to your wireless remote, you can plug into this gray plug and plug in your tether. This center door here, this unit has a Kohler engine. You have your sight glass here for fuel. On the opposite side, you have your hydraulic lever, you have a fuel filter, you have your air filter. If something ever happens with your tether remote, you could, and you need to move your unit, there's two levers. There's one here, and there's one behind it, corresponding right behind it. The easier way to access it, there's a panel over here in the front. You could remove this panel here, and you could access the levers a little bit easier. This is your hydraulic tank. This here is for your vibrator. You could either, you have different speeds. You could have it at 1,000 RPM or 1,200 RPM. This unit also has a little toolbox. If you need to put some tools or any hardware, you can put it inside this compartment. So if you notice with this 221, this is on the plus unit, this conveyor is a lot longer than the 221 non-plus, that one. With the 221 plus also, you can get this in a smaller conveyor, the same setup as that unit there. The other difference with the 221 plus, which makes it the 221 plus, is the front attachment. The non-plus version does not have this attachment. If you choose to get a 221 plus, this comes standard. If you choose to get a 221 non-plus, this does not come standard. All the units come with the side conveyor. That's a standard on both units. And if you notice that we have a rubber up top that we ratchet strapped, that's just to give you an idea. Depending on the type and the size of the material that you're trying to screen, if it's too big, then you could ratchet strap your rubber. On that unit there, we have it down. It all depends on the type of material that you're loading. The purpose of the rubber for the 221s, plus or non-plus, is it holds back some of the material for a little bit better screening. And that concludes our demonstration of our 221s, our plus version and our non-plus version right there. And if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 908-369-3340. Thank you.